Bill McRae here. How you doing? I want to talk to you about some mind-bending stats regarding YouTube and why YouTube is where you need to be if you want to make money through marketing. Now, I'm a big-time email guy, and I love my email, and I make a ton of money doing it, but I'm telling you the future is probably more like YouTube, and let me go through these stats and you'll understand why. The first thing is YouTube was started in 2005. My daughter would have been 12 years old, which I have a hard time believing that because it wasn't all that long ago. Now she's going to be 26 next week, as a matter of fact. Wow. Currently, there are 1.3 billion users. It's with a B, billion users that use YouTube. And every hour, every minute of the day, over 300 hours of videos are uploaded to YouTube. In other words, in a minute, 300 hours, 10 days worth of videos are uploaded. It's just a lot of people uploading videos, okay? Almost 5 billion, with the B, videos are watched on YouTube every single day. YouTube gets over 30 million visitors per day. And on an average month, the 8 out of 10 of the visitors are between the age of 18 and 49, which are the primary demographics for spending money. Getting older like I am, you don't spend much money anymore. One of the other numbers here is by 2025, half of the viewers under age 32 will not have pay TV anymore. They won't have cable. They'll be watching YouTube. They'll be watching Netflix. They'll be watching subscription services streaming onto their devices, whether it's their smart TVs or their iPads or their computers. They won't actually have TV as we know nowadays. The total number of videos watched on YouTube each month, this is each month, the total hours of videos watched each month is 3.25 billion with the B, okay? There are 10,113 YouTube videos that have generated over 1 billion views. 10,000 videos generated over 1 billion views. None of mine. But that really says a lot right there. 80% of YouTube views come from outside the U.S., which is a very interesting stat. I think the thing is in the U.S., the metrics are overwhelmingly in favor of television because we all have them. We all have cable, satellite, whatever. Other parts of the world, that isn't that case. The average number of mobile YouTube views per day is over 1 billion. And the average mobile viewing session lasts more than 40 minutes. And this is up about 50% in the last few years. So people are spending a lot of time watching YouTube videos. More than 50% of all YouTube videos come from mobile devices. This is my iPad. This is considered a mobile device and pretty much use it for everything I do, including recording videos now. So that's pretty amazing. The amount of time people spend watching YouTube is up 60% year over year, and that's growing at a very fast rate. YouTube is in a total of 76 different languages. 95% of the internet population has access to it. Only 9% of U.S. small businesses use YouTube. So you get local small businesses out there. They can improve their businesses by reaching out on YouTube. So if you're like a local marketing company, go out and talk to these guys about doing YouTube videos. And there's lots of different platforms that you can use to build YouTube videos to help them market their business. And it's actually very competitive, very easy to rank for local keyword phrases like orthodontia, San Antonio, or whatever. That much easier in YouTube than it is on Google. And so somebody's having a problem with their teeth, they might go to YouTube to do some research. And it would be, it's again, YouTube is the second biggest search engine in the world behind Google. They happen to be owned by Google, And the amount of money Google has made is just amazing. Google was purchased in 2006 for $1.65 billion. It's worth really a lot more than that. The company was started in 2005, sold in 2006 for $1.65 billion. The initial investment into it was $11.5 million by Sequoia Capital in November 2005. They invested $11.5 million and cashed out $1.65 billion. But I'm sure there were, key employees that got in on that. The youngest YouTube star was 6 years old and made over $11 million in 2017. I don't know what this kid was doing, but evidently he got a lot of views because he was making money off his advertising. The numbers are staggering. The numbers are absolutely staggering. This is where people go to find out how to do things, okay? My wife came in and we had a ceiling fan that was broken, and it was a weird model and never heard of it before. We didn't have the instructions, so I got on YouTube. How do I fix, and then the model name, ceiling fan from 2012, I think. And I was able to find video instructions on how to rewire the thing and fix it, and it worked. I needed to fix the battery on my HP Pavilion and my wife's computer. We don't have an owner's manual, and it didn't have the easy slip-off battery exchange thing. You had to actually tear the whole thing apart to get to the battery. So I did some research on that, and boom, here it comes. Okay, boom, done, done. So YouTube gives you great information. It gives you instructions. It is the platform that people will turn to figure out how to make money online, how to fix my car battery, how to do stuff. Okay, so if you're losing weight, you want to do how to run keto, how to do intermittent fasting, how to fix your hip flexors, how to do. You understand? So if you're not making money or not using YouTube to make money selling affiliate products, I've got to recommend YouTube CB. What that is it's a YouTube training and teaches you how to make money selling affiliate products with YouTube. YouTube CB, YouTube ClickBank. It's great training. It's very inexpensive. Go check it out. There's a link below in the message box. YouTube is the future for marketing. I hope you get on board. Take care.